So everywhere I seem to look, the M140s in particular, cars with comfort access and keyless entry and start-stop buttons get nicked on a daily basis. So sad low-life nick cars for fun. But yeah, what they're going to do, they're going to install a device somewhere secretly in the car that even I don't know right now, and that's simply going to only allow the car to turn on with a series of buttons. But yeah, Ricky Living Life Fast did a video on that, so I'll put a little notification there for you to watch his video. But yeah, they're working behind the scenes over there right now installing that.
So let's just say the Ghost is not activated at the moment. So if you went to start your vehicle,
yep, foot down on the thing, press that. That is
now
on.
Put it into drive.
Yep. Okay.
And it's stalled.
So it's stalled. Automatic has stalled.
Yep.
Yep.
So now if you turn the ignition off,
so take foot off. Ignition is off.
Then put the ignition on.
Yep. Ignition is
now
on.
I've set a dealer code for this. So we go 1, 2, 1, 2. Indicators flash twice. Now you can start the vehicle.
Jesus. So that's literally sorted now.
Yeah, engine lights off. That's good.
So everything's sorted.
Yep,
so if I put it in drive, it would go. No stalling. Wow. And if I was to take this to BMW to get it serviced, I can set a new code or just take the code off?
What you do is then put it into service mode.
Okay.
So service mode then will disguise the Ghost. But if they drive the vehicle for a set period of time, over 30 miles an hour,
okay,
the Ghost will reinitialize. Perfect. Then when they switch ignition off and switch it back on.
So that saves like dealers from literally getting in your car and ragging it about.
Yes.
Wicked, wicked. I'm liking that. I'm liking that.
Or if you send it to somewhere, be clean, because we have heard of places where people have had their cars taken for a drive when they...
Oh, can you imagine? Get it valeted, yeah.
Valeted, and they've decided to take them for a little drive.
Okay, so yeah, so literally guys, that is it. So big shout out to Impulse in Watford. But yeah, definitely what's going to happen now is obviously I'm going to set my own code. I can't show you that, guys, but yeah, there'll be plenty more videos to come on the car. Stay tuned, subscribe and like. God bless.